Hey guys, I'm GrkYgrt, and today I'm going to tell you the top 3 ways that you can become a Twitch affiliate in under a month. Let's get into them. The 3 requirements that Twitch gives you to become a Twitch affiliate is to get 1, get 3 average viewers, 2, get 50 followers, and 3, stream for 7 days. We're going to go over all 3, and I'm going to tell you guys step by step how to achieve each one of these steps so you guys can get Twitch affiliate in under a month. We're going to tackle the hardest one first. The 3 average viewers can be very intimidating at first. When you press go live and you see the 0 viewers mark, yeah, that can be pretty intimidating. There's a really easy way to achieve this goal, and that is to have your friends and family open your stream in the background. They don't even have to be watching it. They don't even have to be active. They literally just have to have it unmuted in the background on a different window and you're fine. It counts as an extra viewer. It's really easy to post when you're going live on your Instagram story, on your Snapchat story. Send out a quick tweet, simple as that. It'll get a couple people maybe even into your stream, and that could easily have you cross that 3 average viewer count. Easy. What I did when I was trying to get 3 average viewers is I would have my mom have her computer on in the living room. I would have my profile watching myself, and I would also have maybe one of my brothers watch me, and that equaled 3. And all I needed after that was 50 followers and the stream for 7 days. So moving on to the 50 followers. We're gonna hit the 7 days last because I feel like that's the easiest, obviously. Before you get this idea in your mind that nobody wants to follow you, nobody's ever gonna find you, so therefore nobody wants to follow you, you first have to be an extremely entertaining streamer, right? Because that's what a streamer is. Your job is to entertain. Your job isn't just to sit there and play video games. No, you're there to entertain the people who come into your stream. You just have to talk to them, be nice to them, and that's how you get them to follow your stream, because they want to see more from you, and that is how it works. It makes it so much more appealing for the viewer if you have a webcam and a microphone. That just makes it 10 times more likely for them to click on your stream, especially if you have an interesting background. So grab some stuff for your background. It could be anything. It could be a poster, it could be art, it could be a TV, it could be anything, it could be lights, it doesn't matter. Make your thumbnails on Twitch interesting. If you have a higher average viewer count, you are more likely to be found because you will be higher up on the list depending on the game you play. If you are stuck at 0 viewers, you will be at the bottom of the game category, and there's no way anyone's ever gonna find you, and that's scary. So once you have those 3 viewers, you are so much higher up on that list. Go to any single game category and scroll all the way down to 0 viewers and see how many people stream for 0 viewers. It's insane. They don't have to, they can stream for 1 person, and that's themselves. They can take their profile, open up their stream, and watch themselves, and that counts as 1 person. So all they need is 2 other people, and they have that criteria filled. The higher you are up on the list increases the likelihood of people to find you. So therefore it increases the probability of them following you, which in return gives you that 50 followers. Theoretically, if you were to stream 7 days a week for 1 week and you were to get around 8 followers every single day, you could hit that affiliate mark in 7 days. And if you have a big enough audience on other platforms, you can get those 50 followers without even streaming. So that's kind of cool. It's kind of nice to have a bigger following on other platforms so you can just bring it right over to Twitch, which is why people recommend you to create a YouTube channel and make YouTube content, but it's not always necessary. I didn't have a YouTube when I started Twitch. I didn't have the TikTok. I had an Instagram, but it was just like a personal Instagram that I created into my brand Instagram. So it's just, everyone has different situations. So I believe that you could start at 0 and go to 50. Everyone has to start somewhere. I think you could do it. Let's say you don't hit it in a week. Let's give you 30 days, okay? In 30 days, you have to get 50 followers. You have to get 2 followers every day if you stream every single day for 30 days. And in those 30 days, you have yourself watching you, you have a friend watching you, and you have another friend possibly watching you. 2 friends just having your stream in the background, you having your stream while you are streaming in the background automatically gives you that 3 average viewer count, which is great. Affiliate can be very scary at first, but once you hit it, you realize that it was literally just the first step of getting started, and that's when your stream starts to truly grow, because you realize what streaming is, and you realize that, wow, this is a lot harder than I thought. But if you're really into it and you really love to do it, I would say please go for it, because it does pay off, believe me. The amount of love and support I've been getting the past couple months has been unreal, and I couldn't thank you guys enough, because it's quite insane. Which is why if you guys want to start streaming, please go for it. Like, do it. It's fun. You'll enjoy it a lot if entertaining is something you're really into, but make sure to be entertaining. That's how you get people to follow you. That's how you get people to stay, and that's how you get people to, like, you. Hope this video helped. I know it's a kind of a short video. You guys can smash a like, maybe hit that subscribe button. We just hit 200 subscribers on YouTube and 2,000 followers on Twitch, which is insane. I don't even know. We do have a 12-hour stream this Saturday, November 7th, plus a GrkYgrt merch giveaway, which could be kind of fun. And yeah, 12-hour stream vlog. Let's go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I've been Tiff, aka GrkYgrt. I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Goodbye.